In the previous video, we got our first official glimpse of the upcoming Galaxy A35 and A55 smartphones. Today, we have more news regarding these two models. The Galaxy S series is incredibly popular for Samsung, and the A5X models in particular have seen significant success. Despite not being top-of-the-line phones, they are highly sought after. Typically, the Galaxy S series, like the A35 and A55, falls into the category of good-quality mid-range phones. However, one characteristic they have often had is plastic frames, which might not provide the premium feel that some users desire. Now, there's a rumor circulating that in 2024, these phones might receive an upgrade to metal frames instead of plastic. A reliable source known as an ex-tipster has hinted at this change. The rumor suggests that Samsung plans to phase out plastic frames for its mid-range phones, specifically mentioning the Galaxy F35 and F55. If this rumor proves true, it would mean a significant improvement in the look and feel of these phones. Samsung had used metal frames in some of its older Galaxy models, and it appears they might be reintroducing this feature. Leaked renders of the Galaxy S25 have also surfaced, showcasing a design more reminiscent of Samsung's top-tier phones. Notably, the Galaxy S35 is expected to feature an Infinio display, where the front camera is placed within a small hole in the screen, eliminating the previously common U-shaped cutout. Both the Galaxy S35 and F55 are likely to be powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1480 chip, which includes a graphics processor from AMD Retina 2 and can support up to 8 GB of RAM. They will come with Android 14 and One UI 6.0 pre-installed, and Samsung is expected to provide support for up to 4 Android updates. These phones are anticipated to be unveiled shortly after Samsung introduces the Galaxy S24 lineup in January of next year. What are your thoughts on the first look of the Galaxy S35 and F55? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section, and stay tuned for more updates.